Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the La Muerte look from the Book of Life and win the next Day of the Dead goddess or cartoon theme in DTI. So this step-by-step guide will break down how you can bring the vibrant, majestic Queen of the Remembered to life on the DTI runway. So let's just get started. To start, for the hair, I'm using black color, and here I'm using this curly hair combined with the straight hair and this wavy hair. Also this hair in here. Just color it black. And now to start, you can just go to the dressing room, click on this icons right here and put on this dress right here. And I'm going to use this red color for the dress and change the material into silk. That, and then put on this dress from the currency items, this one in here. Just use the same color and material. Before the previous dress, for the second preview, use the orange color. This color, make it a little bit brighter, like this. Now, back this one and put on this, add the color to red like this, and just leave the second color as it is. Okay, now let's go ahead and put on some accessory. I'm going to use this necklace right here. And for the first color, I'm going to use gold, and second one, change it into red. Then put on this necklace in here, change it to orange again, and leave the second color as is. You can go in here and put on this flower crown, remove the spike and change the color to this orange just right here for all of it. So I put on the flower crown from the path outfit. So let's go back to the dressing room and put on this and use the same orange color for all of the flowers. Okay, once you have done, go in here. Now put on this sleeves, double it into number 2. Just the same red color in silk, and also the sleeves, same color. So this is the final look of La Muerte in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.